do it again. Hey, you're coming? Do it again, Maxie. You guys snowflakes? Come here, come do it again. Ready, set, go, Claire.
Go.
Right. Ready, go.
Go.
Woo! Okay, Maxie's turn.
Me.
Jackie's turn.
My turn.
Your turn, Max. Woo! Good job, Max. Oh, Max, you get a leaf in your mouth. That's what you get for eating the snow. You gonna eat another snowflake? Stick your tongue in the air. Catch one. There you go.
Can you please help me slide my feet?
Max, slide down the hill. There goes Jack.
Woo!
Woo!